When your Honeywell portable air conditioner remote stops working, the solution is usually simple. Most remote control problems come from two main causes: dead batteries or signal interference. The first and most common cause is dead batteries. This accounts for the majority of remote control failures. Replace the batteries with two fresh AAA batteries. Make sure they are inserted with the correct polarity. Positive and negative terminals must match the markings inside the battery compartment. The remote uses infrared signals to communicate with your air conditioner. Ensure there is a clear line of sight between the remote and the unit. Stay within approximately 10 meters and remove any obstructions that might block the signal. Dirt and grime on the sensors can interfere with the infrared signal. Wipe both the remote sensor and the air conditioner's receiver with a damp cloth. Make sure both sensors are clean and dry. If you've tried all these steps and the remote still doesn't work, the remote itself may be defective. You can test this by trying another Honeywell remote with your air conditioner unit.